welcome back to the channel. Charles here with CNC Pony Traders, and this is the Dream 1984 Mustang GT Convertible 5-liter. Unfortunately, as you saw if you've been with us since the beginning in our very first sneak peek video, ours isn't quite that nice. Here we've got a couple of pictures from the first time that I found Roxy in someone else's garage, just as a reference point for where she was when we started. We'll be switching over to some live video as to where we're at now and giving you some updates.
She's been with me for quite a while and had her for about 2 years, but really haven't had the time or the money to get her where she needs to be. And then we'll take a quick walk around and see what she looks like now. Roxy came to me one day. I was working security in a neighborhood and saw her in a gentleman's garage, and he didn't speak any English and I didn't speak any Spanish, but as we explained to his wife, who spoke both, we did understand Mustang. So we were able to work out a deal before I ever met his wife, in fact, and that's why she came to me. As you can see, we've started the renovation process. Got all the interior seats out. The dash pad is gone as well. That's the old carpet. Someday we'll have the money to put the new carpet in and use that as a template for all the cuts. As I said, you can see the back seats out. The roof, as you can see, one of the many things that we'll be taking care of when we get to that point. And the deck lid, we'll be replacing that as well. Hope to keep as much as we can original. Obviously, the interior is coming out, but we'll see how much we can save and keep her looking good. But you can see she's just a small block 302 from back in the day. I believe this is the original engine. Not positive on that, but I do know that the transmission was swapped. She was originally, when I did a research on the VIN, she was originally an automatic, and somebody somewhere along the line put in a 5-speed, so we'll probably leave her like that just for the fun factor, I guess. She's had at least one repaint, but when we get her done she'll have at least one more. We're going to keep her red, and I'd like to do it to where she looks as stock and original as possible, so we'll see how that plays out as the time goes by.
Where we're at right now is working on the interior. As you saw in the previous clips, we do have the seats, the carpet, and the dash pad all removed. You can see here the slow process of removing the old sound deadening material that's glued in. We want to get down to the bare metal and sand down any surface rust that there is, and then coat that with some Pour 15 and really get it sealed up good before we add the new sound deadening materials. Probably go with boom mat or something of that nature. So that's where we are with Project Roxy right now. Still working on chiseling out that sound deadening material on the interior. Just wanted to give everybody a quick update and let you know that that first video we put out wasn't clickbait, but we do in fact have an actual live Foxbody in the stable. We'll keep you updated on that. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, especially the comments. We appreciate those very much. We'll see you next time. Thanks.